Let me see that again. I need a pick real quick.
You gotta wait till the...
That shit every time.
Yeah, he's actually said that every time.
Like the 38.
I know.
I think I need it. 2 blocks one day that came out nothing.
I'm ready to smash this bitch, man.
Drinking. Bro, why y'all up in my face?
Let me see something. Alright, we back again. Me and Nate older men. We just left the vendor. I know we back in action, bro. We backpacking. Trying to look for a new gun. You with me?
That was it. Now we come. Now y'all. He about to. He trying to get his pistol now. I think I'm about to upload the little shooting range one. We went to the gun range to blow the Drake. I didn't even tell y'all that. I'm about to post that video too though. But now we on the way to DJ. They got a whole lot of pistols right here too. I'm about to show y'all what we working with. These joints looking a little OZ. Look at this. Yeah.
That's what it's all about. I feel like
Y'all looking job. Looking job. OZ. I'm gonna pick this stuff up. These YNs. Going jogging on ends. Should I get a black joint or another brown? I like how that one look right there. It's like it's got black right here a little bit. But it's a little tad. You in the black? Yeah.
Are you talking to your girlfriend?
That's common.
Shake it like it won't mess.
too good. I've never thought at this time.
Well, these toys, these are heavy as shit.
It's heavy?
Some asking Faith if she been working with Saturday.
It's heavy, dude.
Yeah, it's not heavy. This one was probably heavier than that.
Oh, yeah. See these prices.
I just thought
Okay, these are new jumps that's out.
Like this, sir?
it's tough when you're doing that.
I like this one.
I do the rock. It's always.
I really don't like
always
these.
think about it. Like,
It's hard to pack it.
We're not busy. Let's go get lunch.
This one right here.
Let's go get lunch. Well, me and her.
Gonna get it? You gonna hold it?
She'll leave.
Get that with it.
All of a sudden, I'll be sick.
So my man about to grab a new.
Are you in the military?
Oh, that's about to grab a new. Not a new. Run into a little bit of complication.
A little bit of a technical difficulty.
Action, man.
We always back. What?
Back in action. Them people right there wasn't trying to let DJ get his jump. It's cool. It's cool though. He don't even gotta get it right there. He about to go to this spot right here. So almost right here.
I see what it is. Man, what? This.
You don't have paperwork for They not trying to let him cop cause said he need like a I don't know, it's different from right here. From today, cause they not trying to let him get what he got. When he got a Drake last time. So I don't even know what's going on. Huh?
Man, I'm working, bro. Niggas know about me. I don't even
Take out this watch, take out this chain, I'll still be the same. So we had the dip. Oh, and we only got, what time is it? It's 3:15 or 3? What time is ours?
It's 3:23.
It's 3:23.
We got 28 minutes.
We got 28 minutes. He ain't had the papers to order
Just being bro in the
that
back.
stuff.
Just shooting and driving, trying to find something like this 38.
I know.
I think I need 2 blocks one day that came out nothing.
We collected that loot. And it's time. About to go back. It's gonna close in 20 minutes and how far we is?
15.
Oh shit.
Say now we 5 minutes away.
Oh, we green. I should say green. They wasn't trying to let us acquire that new loot without these
I
peeps.
should have put out cash. He like cash.
Who?
Screw him.
Don't pull out no cash.
But catch out when we capturing that
That might be my new guy.
That dog. That
Bro,
dog.
them niggas don't be coming there consistently. Like, I wanted the guy, bro. Yo, the
Last
guy
guy?
we went to, yeah, that guy was a guy. Like, he'll fuck with us on anything, any gun we wanted. Giving that joint up.
He was cool.
Tell y'all, find my arms dealer, bro. I need that guy.
I'm still, bro.
Yeah, bro, I need my arms dealer.
It's cool,
Take
bro.
off this watch, take off this chain, I still be.
What we eating, bro? Can we come up with a conclusion? I'm not eating Popeyes out here. I'm not gonna lie.
Bro,
I'm not
I ain't
eating
even
Popeyes out here.
I ain't even gonna see too much on this cam, but I want Popeyes, bro.
Bro, I understand Popeyes good yicken, but nah.
Bro,
I'm not eating Popeyes, bro.
I'm not doing the others, bro. What you want? You gonna go to Waffle House?
You can get that sesame stuff.
Sesame?
Oh yeah, that is.
Some stuff. Yo, get up me. Chill, yeah. What's that sesame stuff?
That's that stuff.
What's that sesame stuff? I don't know about that stuff.
No, that's that
Is it Chinese food?
Yeah, it's that sesame stuff. Oh yeah, Jai, you was trying to find that back home? I don't got that out there.
No, I don't eat sesame chicken.
Oh, you don't?
They gotta eat the stir fry rice.
But Chinese food your favorite food, bro?
What?
Chinese food?
Salmon my favorite food.
Salmon?
Salmon, yeah.
I do like salmon. I've been eating a lot of salmon over my diet.
That shit good for protein, bro. That's the best protein I ever had.
I really just discovered shrimp tacos. I don't know. I be off the dick.
Say that shit again.
What my mother put you on? When we went camping? We going on there and we scrape in the middle.
Nah.
I'm driving this joint like a race car.
Hey, does the wooden cutboard make that shit taste better?
It just gives you food oil.
It don't make it taste better.
Nah, it just gives you food oil.
Shit make it look like it look good.
The wooden board. The forbidden wooden board. Catch out when we about to go grab that dog. What you about to grab?
I'm about to grab a 43X, man.
Black?
Yeah, black with an MOS.
That black stuff.
And we can't.
That little stuff, that little shit light. I might got let's get this done looking nice. You get him recording that, you get him doing stuff? Yeah. They let my man finally get his stuff. We had to leave and come back because he didn't have his papers. Now he got his papers. Now he green bang. I really wanted him to get a Hellcat whole kit. I really wanted him to get a Hellcat, but he didn't get the Hellcat. He got the 43X MSOS, but
Don't matter.
all black.
I know we about
Should
to
have
go
got the
there,
peanut butter stuff. Though. Didn't get that peanut butter stuff.
You're gonna answer.
But he decided to get black on black. Show y'all. We about to go to the range with that shit.
Man, we gonna blow that bitch.
Yeah, let me go to the range with that.
Blow
I'll do that in
junk.
the next video like I did with the Drake.
Yeah, I'm gonna show
Cop
y'all.
the Drake and then we blew that jump.
Teach y'all niggas.
But now, catch y'all later.
We gonna see
I'm
y'all.
gonna show y'all when we walking out with that look.
Free to
He
see.
wasn't trying to get it to him at first, but now he got them peeps. He got what he needed. My young going Jack in the day. What you about to do when you get that dog?
Y'all know I went to the car. Had to change my hood and shit. This nigga Jai. My nigga Jai. Yo. So, y'all know we
Yeah,
getting
to
a
switch
gun.
up the lows.
Y'all know the
I
other
switch up
gun.
my codes.
The other gun store wasn't trying.
I'm on the stove.
That shit is ass.
I'm cooking
That
like
shit
a
was-
pot.
Anyways, bro, we had to go to a different gun store because
It's
it's
right
43.
there.
So we back.
Then I got a 12-round mag for it. Let's do
Great
a little
gun.
longer. You're gonna need this to when you
Yeah.
put the plate on, right there, okay?
This, what's this thing?
Yeah, this is for when you wanna take
Yeah,
that
that's-
plate off, if you wanna put a sight on it,
Oh yeah, I definitely do want to do that.
okay?
So
You
is
don't
this
wanna lose it,
is
but
this
I'm
not the
sliding it
same?
right in there.
It's not the same as this.
Let me get a phone.
Y'all ain't even cool.
What's the difference between that?
It's like a pocket rocket.
That one's used. This one.
So you see that joint?
And that one might not be the MOS.
See that joint last year?
Yeah, that's not the MOS. That was just
This MOS.
How do you know if it's the MOS?
what's that?
How do you know if it's the MOS?
It has a plate on top of it to mount a sight.
Oh. I literally just told you that.
So you know what? I don't remember, but that's the gun you have to get.
Yeah, I'll just grab this one in school.
You can think about it.
No,
I can
just
also
do a
help you
bean.
get a red dot too if you want one.
I'm doing that on it. Put the top of it? In the beans? Nah, I don't care about the beans, bro. I just need that.
What we putting? Hey, John, what color beam you want on that jump?
Green.
Dude, like that green stuff.
Got the green bean. I like this.
Yeah.
Hey, nigga, that motherfucker was so pumped.
Just for like.
You like that?
This clip's small. Let me put it in my pocket. Let me see. This bitch is perfect. Let's see how this look.
See how that jump fit in there, bro. Ooh, too perfect, ain't it? Ooh.
You know I had that on me, bro. Not too much. You didn't even know I had that on me.
Let me see that joint. Yeah, I'm a real man.
Real, you mean?
You don't even know I got this bitch on me at all. You gotta pull
Do
out
that quick. Woo!
It's
It's a stick out.
Bro, you can
Oh, God.
You know, Nate got the quick draw on that jump.
You know, I'm quick draw, sweep, fast off the hip. And they're running to me. You know his ass getting dipped, man.
That's about to pop.
Run up on me. They know they ass getting dipped, man. Too quick, too fast off the hip. Niggas don't
Let me see some.
fast off the hip. And then not with that glizzy.
No,
It's on
no,
off the
no.
hip. You don't even know. That dog on
We.
yeah. Quick draw, shooting fast off the hip, and then out with that glizzy too. So you know they got the little MOS right here. That's that sight. But you know, you see that stuff.
DJ need his stuff.
It's cool though. You know, I got that stuff on me. You see that stuff?
You yap. Nigga just yap.
Quick draw, shooting fast off the hip, and then now with that glizzy, so you gotta do is this. I show you the bitch that really got that same missing. Too many straight from the beginning. I kicked up. I'm sitting there. Got peeled. I got person like this bitch just trying to fuck what I ain't trying to fuck. And then now with that glizzy.
I would carry 2 pistols.
No, not at once.
What'll be the point
Carry
of
2
that, bro?
pistols?
What if one run out?
What'll be the point
What you gonna do with 2 pistols, bro?
Nah, Drake.
Who you think you is, bro?
What you gonna do with 2 pistols?
Bro, why y'all up in my
You
face?
can't even
bro?
reload, bro.
Go.
What's up, y'all? We back. I was at the gun show yesterday. I ain't had all my paperwork and everything on me. But I made some good connections at that joint. Met some cool people. Found me a new arms dealer. So I'm here about to grab this 43X. Yeah, we probably take it to the range later on. See how that joint do. I have shot in the 43X before. I ain't really, it was real snappy. I don't know how I feel about it. But we gonna see. We gonna see, man.
So we had a few complications. But now, Storm's still in the back right there. About to handle business. I mean, Gene. Took my mental hands.
You didn't take no more.
Took my mental hands.
You didn't take no more.
Get up.
Yo, get up. You tagging, bro? Like, what is he doing?
Bro, he pulling me. Listen,
Bro, y'all, I had to go in the car, change my.
Bro, we don't care what you had to do,
Let me
bro.
talk to my boy. Yeah, I found a few nice guns. When I turn 21, it's over, bro. It's over. Oh my God, Gene, tell me about your 43X, bro.
I ain't got nothing to say, man.
I ain't even show y'all the ones that's in here. It's that stuff. Yeah. That's the Hellcat stuff. I need that stuff. Stuff like this. Where that one at? Oh, it's right there.
43 right here.
That's 43.
43 right here.
Oh, that's not. That is it. Perf. Good girl. Need that stuff.
Look at that stuff. Look at the fucking camera.
Look at that stuff. You like that stuff? Bro, I'm sorry. Y'all guys don't eat. You don't got that shine gun, bro.
That shine gun. I love that stuff. Let me see, bro. Let me take a little hike. I'm coming home. Ooh. I'm coming home.
We coming home, man.
Real soon. That glock stuff.
Walking out with that box stuff.
That glock stuff.
That box stuff.
Boxing, boxing.
That G-lock stuff.
We'll be back.
Or stolen or whatever you need to report it to insurance. Make sure you hold on to that.
Okay.
Appreciate it.
Appreciate you. We'll be
Thanks,
back.
guys. Thanks for hanging out.
Thank you.
They were asking me yesterday, what them dudes walking around with the camera for? Are they vlogging or something?
Yeah,
They said, are they rappers or something? I said, I don't know, man. They're just some dudes wanting to buy a gun. Why they carry them cameras around?
Said we rappers, we buy
Nice meeting
guns.
you guys.
You too.
My name's Matt.
His name Mac. Man, let that shit out the box, man. Niggas let that shit out the box, man. Stop fucking it up. Man, let a shot out, nigga.
Oh, day, yeah.
You try to suck it
That
up?
feels good. Much better.
Much better.
That's that stuff.
Call that stop.
That's that stuff. That's where it belongs.
He already,
That's where it
he already
That's
told
where
me
it
that
belongs.
shit. That's where it belongs. That nigga play thing. If you reach, I'ma teach. Yes, I'm coming home. And this bitch coming with me everywhere. God, my God. I give you all that stuff.
God damn, this shit got your address like shit.
Damn, the
Faded
camera
shit.
They got my city. They got my city joint.
You know.
Cuz that's my nigga right there.
That's our nigga.
Yeah, that is our nigga. He said I can come back anytime. I don't
I
even
know
think
you wanted to ask him like if he bought me something and transfer it, but I was like, nah.
In case y'all don't see the shine gun.
we going Waffle House.
It's crazy how everybody in the
Next one, that
world
waffle
got
stuff?
a different feast.
Waffle
You
stuff.
don't think that shit? You don't think that shit weird?
Different
Like
feast?
everybody in the
Some
world
niggas
got
look
different
like you.
feast.
Need some bullets,
Somebody in
man.
the world that look like you right now.
Any nigga that ever looked at me
No one
wrong.
look exactly
Oh,
like
shit.
you.
Money?
He got a billing. He's going through his billing phase. Hold up, we gotta get this. Say it again. Say the speech again, Brody.
Bro.
Yeah.
Any nigga that ever looked at me wrong.
Oh my God.
Owes me money.
Oh shit.
It's deadbeat.
Oh.
Fucking dead.
Oh, they're fucking dead. How you feel about that stuff?
It's coming home.
Nah, I don't got no bullets.
I'm ready to smash this bitch.
You don't need no bullets. I'm ready to strike me a nigga.
I'm
Every
so
time you
hours.
pull, I was like 16, no, just clap me a
Break up
nigga.
beside you.
You know,
These bitches gonna break up beside you. Bro, my Waffle House people ain't seen me in forever, bro.
Forever fix your credit, you mean? Work on your credit, yo, real shit. And if y'all need to know how y'all need to work on y'all credit, go to my man Gene, bro.
Bro, you ain't fixed my credit in full.
Don't listen, yeah.
You said don't listen, yo. Yo, fuck, no, edit that out.
Chill, don't be catching the weird angles there.
Keeping the fucking button.
Bro, why you got this all in my face, cuz? Hey, hello, yeah! Whole time, this really my camera.
Nah,
Our camera.
you know, catch out on me. Yeah.
Tell my boo I said I miss her.
Yeah, Waffle House. Starving. We need that food stuff after a great victory royale stuff.
Can't get me with that.
That's that motherfucker.
He pulls the same joke every time. I think you. How many times have you said that joke?
He said that shit every
Yeah,
time.
he's actually said it every time.
Look at Josh shit, bro. That shit's whack as shit.
Yeah, your shit is black as a bitch.
Shit, man.
I realize this is exactly how. He ain't wrong. Yo, this nigga unintentionally thinks I can This is exactly how, like, this shit is black as a motherfucker. Hey, you can't post that. You gonna get canceled.
I might will get canceled.
Man, we cannot get canceled, bro. Niggas can't cancel us.
Nah, we might get canceled.
Don't cut. But you just woke up.
But let them know they can't cancel a god.
Is there classes?
Why you not saying nothing
There
now?
classes.
I reveal it to the world.
Nothing I gotta say.
Classes.
Catch y'all when we done eating
Who
this
you was,
stuff.
we'll see you go upstairs.
How was that stuff?
I be forgetting, I ain't gonna lie.
He said he got 11 in the bed. You gotta wait till the floor till he dead. It's that Hellcat style.
Huh?
Don't you buy bullets? They register them to
You
you.
got some money?
You
Got some money I can flex.
What's this right here? What's this?
Just lock it up.
Fucking Drake out here?
The Drake. It's the Drake.
Nigga bought a Drake and a motherfucking.
Let me see a Jake. Let me see that game. I need a pick real quick. Somebody hop in my pick. About to stretch this bitch. Yo, you got a PS4 right here. Why?
Do you see where it is?
What you doing it?
What does it look like I do it?
You think you could have just told me.
Wait till the floor and he dead.